There's a few things I want you moms to know before joining an MLM network marketing company. If you are new to my channel, say hello. My name is Dale LaCure. I am all about helping moms create healthier, happier, and a little side gig so they can work from home, right? I love it. And I'm on a mission to do that. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. For you returning subscribers, thank you for joining me. I'm so happy to see you again. So I want to just talk a little bit about this. So these are kind of like things that people don't talk about when it comes to the network marketing industry. So number one, the company that you join matters big time. The company needs to be stable. The company needs to be in growth mode. The company needs to have products that work, that have been clinically studied and that actually work. And the products need to be something that people are looking for, that they can't find anywhere else. So that's really, really important. Next thing, number two, the company or your team has to have good mentorship, good leadership. There's got to be systems and strategies, systems to follow from day one. So you're not like out in the woods trying to figure it all out, right? You need somebody to guide you, to help you, to teach you, to put systems in place for you. And it's not something that is absolutely not a get rich quick scheme. You've got to know that. I'm going to be real with you here. Network marketing has the word work in it. So it is going to take work, but it is work that can really, really create an incredible income stream for you and give you the ability to work from home. And that's so important for moms these days. They're looking for income that they can do from home so you can work around your kids. What's really important when you are in a network marketing company, and this is going to stretch you a little bit, especially if you have little ones, is setting a time, a schedule in your day where you devote that time with no distractions. And you get to choose that time. And that's the beauty of the industry. You can choose it when the kids are sleeping, when the kids are in school, or maybe you're an early bird and you get up in the morning. But you have to have that designated time that you commit to working your business. And it can be whatever it is. You can get so much done in an hour of time, even less, if you have the systems and strategies in place. And that's really important, which is what we have here in the Mental Wellness Company. We have launch posts. We have 30 days, 60 days of post ideas that you can use on social media. We teach you how to do TikTok. We teach you how to do reels. We teach you to write engaging posts, like all of it, all the stuff. It takes skills. There's a huge learning curve, and you've got to know that it's not going to be something that's going to happen overnight. It's something that you build. But we have so many moms that are creating incredible income streams. In fact, 82% of women that earn six figures do it in this industry. But it is not, like I said before, this is not a get rich quick scheme. This is something that is a marathon rather than a sprint. So it's something that is going to take time. I've been in the industry for 16 years, but I've been with the mental wellness company for 6 years. Been building and building and building and finding good leaders that will help to spread the word. And I love working with moms because it's so important to me in my own personal journey to really help to bring moms home. I have a strong belief that the family unit is much healthier and happier when the mom is home. And if the mom can be home and contributing to the family revenue, that's a perfect scenario. And the products with our company are second to none in terms of helping moms with stress resilience and energy and getting good sleep. And our kids' products that helping kids to build stress resilience, helping kids to be able to focus, helping kids to be able to sleep well, have them be in a good mood, have them also have good stress resilience. So the products, the company, all of the things have to be in place. The training and support, all of that need to be in place in order for you to really build a strong network marketing company and business. So I hope this is helpful. I don't want you to think that it is quick and easy, because it's not. So if you are looking for something and you want to just jump on a chat, I'm happy to share with you our systems, give you a look into our back office there and see what it's all about, see all the things that we have in place for training, teach you about the products and how they can help you with mental and physical well-being, how they can help your kids, all of it. So in the description, you will see a link for our company. You can take a look at our mission and see what we're all about. I'll also put a link to our kids products and our adult products that you can look at for mental and physical well-being, helping to build the immune system as well, which we're going to need as winter approaches. So take a look at that, and then also reach out, or you can comment and we can connect over on Facebook and Messenger. Find me there and we'll have a conversation and see if this looks like a good fit for you. All right, I will see you again. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and thank you for joining me.